Today, I would like to present our research. Our topic is single mother, mapping literature review using the Bibliometrix analysis. Before that, I would like to introduce myself and my partner. My name is Melati Indah binti Rahmat and my partner is Akilah binti Arifin. Our research consists of the introduction, methodology adopted, result analysis, economy of single mother, economic effect during COVID-19, and conclusion. First of all, I will explain about the research. Our research is focused to the economy single mother. Who is single mother? Single mother is referred to the woman who has to assume responsibility, has a breadwinner of the family after death or divorce with her husband. There are many types of single mother, which is a woman who has disease, a divorced woman, a woman who does not receive any financial from her husband, a woman who process of divorce, and a woman who receives a child of another without assist of her husband. Population in Malaysia for women is 13.9 million and 235,440 who are a single mother. Crisis of COVID-19 was causes the single mother are vulnerable to the economic problem that can involve other factors, especially in health problem.
Next, I will explain about the methodology adopted. For this research, we use RStudio to run the data. So we call the result as a bibliometric analysis. Bibliometric analysis defined as a statistical assessment of the published scientific article, books, or books chapter. This bibliometric analysis was used corpus to extracting the data. RStudio package provide a more complete bibliometric analysis and using specialized tool for bibliometric and scientometric quantitative research. RStudio is one of the most powerful and flexible statistical software environments providing an open source. The steps developed in order to perform the bibliometric analysis were first, the collection of data, followed by the descriptive and bibliometric analysis.
For the result and analysis, we have four output, which is the main information, most productive author, most productive affiliation, and the clustering by coupling. The main information explain about the article we use to do this research. The data in the main information consists of main information about data, document type, document content, and the author. So, I will explain little bit about the table. For the time span, we took article from 1967 until 2021. The total of document is 834 document, consists of article, book chapter, conference paper, erratum, letter, notes, review, and short survey. And the total of author is 1,425 author. The most productive author is referred to the relevant author in producing the article. From the Biblioshining was record 1,425 author, but we just take top 10 author for this research. And for the most productive affiliation is refer cooperation between author in producing research from different university. This is show that each author cooperate with each other in producing the best article displayed different place. At the same time, being able to produce a different view on different environmental factor. For the clustering by coupling is referred to the process of grouping data into several clusters. The process data are grouped into a cluster and have a maximum and minimum degree of similarity. Next is about economy of single mother. Overall, the decline in poverty rate is a whole does not reflect on the enhancement of the overall socio-economic status of Malaysians. This is because the poverty program that government has implemented does not have equally impact on all those who receive the assistance. This is because the assistance is given not based on the specific liability of the beneficiary groups. This is the program by the government is to improve the economy of Malaysian, which is the Rancangan Malaysia ke-11 stand for RMK11, Program Incubator Ibu Tunggal stand for the I-KID and Penjana.
Next, the economic effect during COVID-19. As we know, the whole world was faced with the COVID-19 pandemic, which also affected the world economy. The effect of this pandemic involved many parties and single mothers who are also affected due to this pandemic. During that period, government played a lot of their role by providing assistance to all people, as long as the Movement Control Order, which is MCO, is implemented to some extent, affecting the economy of single mother, because on average among them lost their source of the income due to retrenchment. In fact, most single mothers do not have enough savings to cover their life stemming from this pandemic. Next, COVID-19 pandemic outbreak also affected to small business. This is because they had to comply with government directive to close their premise as one of the measures to curb the pandemic. The effect of this measure is to reduce the supply of goods, because only a few premises based on the basic needs are allowed to operate, such as Tesco, Giant, and so on. For the conclusion, the COVID-19 outbreak is a global health problem that adversely affects the Malaysian economy. This economic instability will affect the entire population in Malaysia, with rising costs of living such as rising oil prices, prices of essential goods and medicines, and so on. The COVID-19 pandemic is a long-term health problem that greatly affects the economic stability of single mothers. This causes them to experience a decline in their savings, because they have to use the money to pay for all utilities and cover life during the MCO period.